cake mix. This is the dessert. Remember, smash that subscribe to my channel. So the ingredients you'll need is milk, almond milk, or whatever kind of milk you like. A measuring cup, the cake mix with the frosting in it. 3 cups, the most important part, the utensils. So you'll need a tablespoon of this to pour the milk in, and 2 forks and a spoon to mix it in. Let's get started. So first we're gonna take this packet out. I'm guessing this is it. So we're gonna pour one in here. Let's get a mug. Sorry. I don't think I cut this right. Hey, there we go. Whoa. Oops. Might have spilled some, but that's okay. We can clean it up. So now we're going to pour the red tablespoon into the milk, but I might need some help. So I'm gonna use my sister Lucy, my big sister. So do you wanna help me?
Sure. So what are we doing?
We have to pour the milk.
3?
Yeah, 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. So now we're going to stir it. So we're taking turns because it's really hard for me. I can't even get it to like stir. Now we're going to put it into the microwave. So I'm gonna put this right here. Open it up. Let me put it in the middle. We're gonna do it for 1 minute. And then start. It smells hot like Grandpapa's oatmeal that they doesn't smell good.
It smells good.
Wait, on this side. Now it smells good on this side. It's all done! I can't wait to take it out. It's hot. It looks like cake in a mug.
That's what it is.
Do you know how much calories are? There's 400 calories, 76 carbohydrates. That's a lot of fat, right, Lucy?
Yeah.
So we're gonna divide it.
Oops.
We are going to put them equally. So this frosting is going to be equally into these, and I think I'm gonna.
Here. No, you didn't cut it. You didn't cut it. Cut it again.
Let me do it.
No.
Lucy, I'm the baker. I'm the unicorn baker. I can cut it.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
I didn't get that much. We're all going to taste test it. So Lucy's gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste test it. There's one more. Who should we call on? Lucy, who?
I don't know.
Luca.
Luca. Yeah.
Would you like to taste test our dessert?
Sure.
that one look like? It has a lot of frosting.
What happens? Like an explosion in here? It is good. Yeah. It kind of tastes like oatmeal in a way. That's okay.
So how do you think?
That is good.
How do you think?
It tastes good.
And I think it tastes amazingly good.
It tastes all good.
Did you drop some on the floor? Does it taste like Grandpa's oatmeal?
Yes, it kind of tastes like Grandpa's oatmeal.
It is really good. If it doesn't taste dry.
Oh.
So you're saying this one's not dry?
Oh. Look, you're even licking the cup. Is it so good?
Yeah. I guess he doesn't think it's dry. It's good.
Who loves unicorns?
You?
You do too, because you're eating something that unicorns eat.
Why'd you look at me like that?
Remember to smash that button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
That voice crack. What was that?
Coming down in 3, 2, 1.
Remember to smash that button and subscribe to my channel.
One more time. Coming down in 3.
You're not the boss of me. I'm the boss of you. You don't say shush to me. I say shush to you, lady. You don't say shh to me, brother. I say shush to you because I'm your mother boss, baby.